Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. Now, we had a lot of things that were deprecated in 2023 within Windows that Microsoft wants to get rid of. One of the interesting things that is going to happen, it's starting right now with the Canary build. And of course, one of the apps that was deprecated, Microsoft announced, was the famous WordPad. Now, this is an app that I find sad that they're removing for a simple reason. If you needed a very quick, text editor, but something that's more powerful than WordPad, gives you a little more possibilities, and was able to have you, write a text or anything and print it out. This was definitely something that I thought was and could be useful for a lot of people. So I find it sad that they're removing it, but what they are saying, because now with the Canary builds, 26020, it's if you don't have it, it's actually not there anymore. If you have it, it's still there, but if you remove it, there's no way to bring it back. And that's what they're going to do, is that once WordPad gets removed from a Windows 11 machine at some point, you will not have the ability to reinstall it. It won't be available. So this is something that to know about. Even though its format for saving text or files was rich text mostly, which was not necessarily compatible with everything, you could still, have the open document text if you wanted. It's still sad to see that they're removing it. Of all the things that they are switching, giving us, upgrading, changing, if one thing I thought was nice to have for a basic text writing and printing, your resume on paper and so on, well, the WordPad was one of them. It's a little more complete than the famous Notepad that they are actually working on, which is funny because they are working on the Notepad and changing the Notepad, and they would need to add a few features to Notepad, a few features to make sure that we get, some of the things we might want, like here you have the ability to center or, put your text on the right side, left side, and so on. With the alignments, you had the fonts, the colors. It was like a miniature version of Microsoft Word. So it's just a warning that once it's gone from Windows 11 on PCs, you won't be able to install it back. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.